Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a checkbox column in Excel step by step. I'm using Microsoft 365. Select the cell or range of cells where you want your checkboxes. Click on any cell in your spreadsheet and drag to highlight multiple cells if you need checkboxes in several places at once. You'll see the selected cells highlighted with a border. If you need to add checkboxes to non-adjacent cells, hold down Control while clicking each cell. Click the Insert tab at the top of the screen. It's in the main Excel ribbon between Home and the other tabs. When you click it, the Insert tab ribbon section opens, showing various options for things you can insert. Now look for the checkbox button in the Controls group on the Insert tab and click it. As soon as you click it, interactive checkboxes are added to all the cells you selected at once. You'll now see checkboxes appear in each of your selected cells. Each checkbox displays with a default value of false, which means it's unchecked. When you select a checkbox cell, the formula bar shows false. To use your checkboxes, click the box once to check it, and click again to uncheck it. A checked checkbox has the value true, and an unchecked checkbox has the value false. You can also select the cell and press spacebar once to tick the checkbox, then press it again to remove the tick. You can reference these checkbox cells in formulas since they return true or false values. For example, if you have a checkbox in cell A1, you can write a formula like equals if, open parentheses A1, comma quote, checked quote, comma quote, unchecked quote, close parentheses, to display custom text based on whether the box is ticked. This is useful for creating status columns or conditional workflows based on checkbox states. If you need to remove checkboxes later, select the cells with the checkboxes and press delete. If they're all unchecked, they'll be removed straight away. If some are checked, pressing delete once will uncheck them, then press delete again to remove them completely. Thanks for watching.